Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to launch your website or brand online? In this video, I will show you how to buy a domain name from Namecheap in 2025. Step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Start by visiting namecheap.com. You will see a search bar right on the home page. Type in your desired domain name, like brand, business, or personal name, like that. Then click search to check if it's available. Keep it short and easy to spell. Go for a .com if possible. Avoid numbers or dashes. Searching my uh, shop.com, like that. If your domain is available, click add to cart. You will see the price, typically around $9 to $15 per year. Namecheap includes free host privacy, so your personal information stays protected. Leave that on. You can also choose to add hosting, SSL, or email, but you can skip those if you only want the domain for now. Check, then click checkout. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It takes less than a minute. Then enter your payment details. Click confirm order. Log in or create an account, like username. Then enter a strong password. Then confirm the password, enter your first and last name, enter email, and click create an account. Then sign into your account. Then enter your company name, like music, then job title, online business, address line, then add phone number, select country, then click continue. Once your order is done, go to your Namecheap dashboard. Click domains, list, and your you will see your new domain there. From here, you can connect it to your website, Shopify, WordPress, or any host. And that's how you buy a domain from Namecheap in 2025. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video on how to connect your domain to your website.